All right, a little bonus video here. They're framing the driveway. They're gonna pour it probably any day. So I thought I'd film this a little bit just to get some pictures and video of it. If I ever need to look back at anything. Construction. So sure the drive is gonna extend a little bit there, go all the way up. Like that, and you see the sidewalk. You see the extra little turnout. Rebars in. They may pour it tomorrow. They poured 2 doors down. They poured that one today. So maybe they'll pour it tomorrow. Anyway, it is ready to go. You got the frame, you got the rebar, you got the little, I don't know what they're called. I can't even see if I'm pointing at it. The little black things to set the rebar up off the ground. Spacers, I guess. So anyway, I'll kind of walk through and see how it curves up here. And then you've got the little, whatever this is called, a little turnout space, back out space. Then you got the sidewalk right here. So this will, interestingly enough, be grass right here. This will be grass, and then you'll have a little slab right there where the compressors will sit for the air conditioner. So you got a little sidewalk here to the door, to the side door. That'll be nice. And then obviously the grass will start right here on the other side of it. And then if you go around to the back, you will see the 15-foot extension of the patio right there. So when we come back on Sunday to film our weekly video, very likely that this will be concreted. So all we did is just went 15 feet straight out. So this will just be a little extension where we can set some chairs and a grill, and until we do all the backyard stuff that we want to do. Because we're gonna put a TV right there. That's what all the plugs are up there. So this will be nice. And obviously sod will go 15, or should go 20 feet beyond that. So probably close to that dirt area, and then in the back we'll plant seed and all that kind of stuff. So, all right, that's all I want to show you today. There'll be the full video coming Sunday.